In the vast universe, there are forces so powerful they can both create and destroy. One such force lies hidden within the heart of the atom. This is the power of nuclear energy, a force that humans have harnessed to create both incredible good and terrible destruction. This is the story of how we learned to unlock this power, building weapons of unimaginable force, the nuclear and hydrogen bombs. These bombs are not merely bigger explosions, they represent a fundamental shift in our ability to wage war. Understanding how these weapons work is crucial, even for the young, because it allows us to grasp the full weight of their existence. It is a sobering topic, but one that we must explore to understand the world we live in. To understand nuclear weapons, we must first journey into the heart of matter, to the atom itself. Imagine an atom as a tiny solar system. At its center lies the nucleus, containing protons and neutrons. Whizzing around the nucleus are electrons, much like planets orbiting. Now, certain elements like uranium have large and unstable nuclei. They are like wobbly stacks of blocks, easily toppled. When a neutron, one of those tiny particles in the nucleus, strikes the uranium atom just right, it causes the nucleus to split apart. This splitting, called nuclear fission, releases a tremendous amount of energy. It's like setting off countless tiny explosions all at once. This energy, if uncontrolled, can be incredibly destructive. But harnessed properly, it can also power our cities. Building a nuclear bomb, however, is not simply a matter of gathering a lot of uranium. It requires a specific type of uranium called uranium-235, which is highly fissionable. This uranium needs to be enriched, meaning its concentration is increased. Then comes the complex part, designing the bomb itself. One approach is the gun-type design. Imagine pointing a gun barrel filled with uranium-235 at a target of the same material. When the trigger is pulled, a conventional explosive launches one piece of uranium into the other, creating a supercritical mass, enough uranium to start a runaway chain reaction. This sudden, uncontrolled release of energy results in a nuclear explosion. Section 4. Hydrogen bombs. The fusion fury. If nuclear bombs, born from fission, represent an immense power, then hydrogen bombs, utilizing fusion, are a leap into an even more frightening realm of energy. Fusion, unlike fission, which splits atoms, combines them. Imagine taking those tiny atom solar systems and forcing them to merge into a larger, more energetic entity. This is what happens in a hydrogen bomb. It starts with a smaller fission bomb, which creates the intense heat and pressure needed to fuse together isotopes of hydrogen called deuterium and tritium. This fusion reaction releases an even more colossal amount of energy than fission alone. The result is a thermonuclear explosion, far more powerful than any conventional nuclear bomb. Section 5. Historical perspective. A race against time. The story of these devastating weapons is intricately woven into the tapestry of human history. The race to build the atomic bomb during World War II, fueled by fear and uncertainty, led to the Manhattan Project. This top-secret endeavor brought together brilliant minds from around the world, forever changing the course of warfare. The dropping of atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, in 1945 marked a turning point in human history. The world witnessed the devastating consequences of nuclear weapons firsthand. The Cold War followed, a tense standoff between superpowers, each armed with arsenals of nuclear and later hydrogen bombs. The fear of mutually assured destruction became a defining factor in global politics. Section 6. The shadow of our creation. The invention of nuclear and hydrogen bombs has cast a long shadow on humanity. These weapons represent the pinnacle of our destructive capabilities, a stark reminder of the immense power we now possess. The threat of nuclear proliferation remains a pressing global concern, with the potential for accidental or intentional detonation a constant worry. Yet, amidst this sobering reality, there is hope. The very knowledge that brought these weapons into existence also holds the key to controlling them. International treaties and organizations work tirelessly to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and promote disarmament. Education and dialogue are crucial to ensure that future generations understand the gravity of these weapons and work towards a safer world, free from the threat of nuclear annihilation.